OJ Lands, and today I'm going to be doing a science experiment, and it's going to be including these little cheese bags, or Cheetos bags, and I got this idea from Guava Juice. Go check them out. Guava Juice, Roy Wasabi. Let's see what happens when we microwave this into that. I'm just going to put these right there. Put 30 seconds. Oh gosh. Whoa, did you see that? Yes. Oh, you can still like see like the little Cheetos things, and then you can still like read the little Cheeto thingies. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's a regular size Cheetos bag, and that's what it looks like now. And I'm gonna do it with this one. And this time I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see it a little bit better. And where's the start button? Yo. Okay. Oh shit. Fuck. I'm throwing this away. No evidence. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude, I almost burned down my house right now. Little Cheeto bag. Do you want some Cheetos? Right here in my little Cheeto bag. Oh my god. I almost freaking... Alright guys, I'm gonna be ending the video because that was really scary. Oh my gosh, the thing caught on fire, and I was about to like go get my little brother to show him, and I could have burned my house down. You gotta admit that was pretty fun though. All right, well, this is OJ Lands signing out. Peace.